Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. I'm a big fan of functional beauty, and when redoing a bedroom into a nice, moody, and relaxing area, I had to be careful not to go too far and go with too much of the darker tones. One thing I had to keep in mind while doing this was to make sure that the visual weight of our bedside tables were nice and light and bright. Adding these Kensi bedside tables was exactly what our room was calling for. And as you know, Nathan James quality is above the rest. I like the warm wood in the chevron front here, but the white is a nice, clean, and classic look as well. I like that there's storage underneath. And of course, the gold feet are just stunning. I was about to say to die for, but I don't want to be dramatic. They're really, really pretty. I actually like these so much that I went ahead and got a couple more because I want to have the look of doubling up on either side of our bed. Just stunning in look. It's just the right size, nice and roomy on top, as well as a nice roomy drawer. It's able to encompass two different styles together in one, and the wood accents on the front with the chevron detail just really add to the simplicity and the elegance of it, as well as being that nice bright pop of color that we really needed in this darker bedroom. It's the end table everyone can get on board with. My husband's in love with it as well. It's beautiful and it's functional. The taste is just on point in my opinion, and that's my point of view.